Transform your graphic design services into irresistible video ads that clients can't ignore. Creating compelling user-generated content, or UGC, video ads for your graphic design business is all about showing, not just telling. Let's break down how to make UGC videos that stop the scroll and convert viewers into clients. Step 1. Showcase your skills authentically. This isn't about stage perfection. It's about the process. Start by showing snippets of your design journey, a sketch evolving into a polished brand identity, or a complex layout coming together. Use fast-paced edits and engaging visuals to highlight your creativity and problem-solving abilities. Step 2. Leverage genuine testimonials. Happy clients are your best marketers. Ask them to share their positive experiences with your graphic design services. Focus on how your work impacted their business. Did it boost their brand recognition, attract more customers? Authentic feedback builds immense trust. Step 3. Tell relatable project narratives. Instead of just showing a final product, tell the story behind it. Briefly explain the client's challenge, how your design solution addressed it, and the successful outcome. This helps potential clients visualize how you can solve their specific design needs. To achieve this, focus on clear, concise visuals, use natural lighting and good audio quality. Keep your videos short and to the point, ideally under 60 seconds. Don't be afraid to show your face and personality. It adds to the authenticity UGC is known for. By focusing on skilled demonstration, genuine client voices, and engaging project stories, you'll create UGC video ads that not only look good but also build the trust needed to win new graphic design clients.